Are you trying to decide between Exness and Vantage? You're not alone. Many traders face this choice. Today, we'll break down these two trading platforms to help you pick the right one for you. Both Exness and Vantage offer online trading services. They provide access to various financial markets, including Forex, stocks, and commodities. Both platforms aim to give users a smooth trading experience, but they have unique features that set them apart. Let's start with Exness. Founded in 2008, Exness is known for its user-friendly interface and strong customer support. It offers a wide range of account types, making it suitable for beginners and experienced traders alike. Exness also provides low spreads and fast execution speeds, which are crucial for active traders. Now, let's look at Vantage. Established in 2009, Vantage is recognized for its advanced trading tools and resources. It offers a variety of trading platforms, including MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are popular among traders. Vantage also focuses on providing competitive pricing and a diverse selection of instruments. So, what are the key differences? Exness is often praised for its customer service and ease of use, making it great for newcomers. In contrast, Vantage shines with its advanced tools and features, appealing to more experienced traders. When it comes to pricing, both platforms are competitive. Exness typically has lower spreads, while Vantage may charge commissions on certain accounts. It's essential to consider your trading style and needs when looking at costs. In conclusion, if you're a beginner seeking support and simplicity, Exness might be the better choice. However, if you're more experienced and want advanced tools, Vantage could be the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights.